How to back up photos and videos to Google Photos. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can back up photos and videos to Google Photos. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you must have Google Photos application in your device. If you don't have the application, you can open up the Google Play Store and install the application if it is not already installed in your device. Once the installation is complete, now you can open up the Google Photos application in your device. Here, and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred Google account. After that, in order to enable the backup in sync, you have to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here, scroll down a bit and tap on Photos settings. Once you're here, you will have the option as backup at the top here. Tap on backup. Now, you have to toggle the backup option right here. And again, choose your account. Now you can choose your upload quality. Here, scroll down a bit and there is a backup quality. Tap on it. Now there you have two options, the original quality and storage saver. The storage saver compresses file to save space, which is a good quality, or if you want to upload them in original quality, you can choose the first option. In original quality, it uploads file in the original resolution, which uses more storage. So from here, you have to choose your preferred quality. Now if you go back, tap on backup device folders and you have to choose the folders that you want to backup in your account. So toggle on all the folders that you want. After that, your backup process is now started, and make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi and your photos and videos will start uploading automatically. And once you have backed up your photos to your Google Photos, you can sign into a Google account to access your photos and videos or through a browser. And by enabling Google Photos backup, your memories are securely stored and accessible across all your devices. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.